Can I take it up a little higher? Yeah. Well, I'll let you back up one on the top. Okay. Looks like the guy coming in from the mountains, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Look at how high he is.
Good job. You're doing well. All right.
Smile.
Woo.
Jim, check it out. Yeah, good slide off the top. Said they scored it last week. Got 100 over.
Push out.
You have to use your judgment.
You watch him, Jim. You're going to do the same thing.
So neat.
I know.
It does. It just looks like he's coming in from the mountains, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Even the scale of the speed is almost
Yeah.
a little fast for us.
Oh, it just pushes out all the way.
I just do everything ours will, it looks like. I mean, it just acts so much like a full-size glider.
Nailed it with a rock, Jim. That's cool. You need a wind dummy at some site.
Little cocoon harness and everything.
Yeah.
Literally a dummy.
Yeah, literally.
Wind dummy. You hear the good lift over that fellow.
Yeah, you can hear it.
Soar the glider.
Did he scored it last week? 100 over.
I mean, soar the lift off the glider.
Oh, yeah. Oh. You know, Jim, if you overshoot, go out there and put one foot right to the top of it. Oh, sorry.
Not me. Okay, here we've got Waldo Whippo. Mini Waldo. It's Jim Bean coming in from the mountains. Look at how far out he is.
He's finally learned to fly slow. He's getting a lot of...
Yeah, Ellen, I want you to walk it down a little ways. You are by far the lightest student we have out here today, and you can get into trouble from that height. We'll let you go from there. So go ahead and get full control of the glider, and then I'll clear you.
Big.
I saw one somewhere. I can't recall where. All right. You gaining on it?
Yep. A little bit.
Much more comfortable.
Why?
Everybody's gaining on it.
So this weather stays like this a lot.
What are you limping for? Pardon me?
This area is like this a lot. I mean,
Oh, this is a sunny day, yeah. But now that, you know, we're headed into fall here, we have some unstable weather. Oh. Everybody having fun?
Yeah, that's great.
Really. He's soaring it pretty close, isn't he?
Right wing's high, Ellen. There you go. You can try and run all the way to the ocean, aren't you? Okay, go. Steer it, go to the right, move your body.
Bad line. Woo! Talk about turbulence. Whip. See, that made it down to the last 5 flights.